Hello, everyone. My name is James Ross, and this year for my field placement, I will be working out in Chester, and I will be providing clinical services to vulnerable adults out in Chester. I'm hoping that this experience will just teach me how to be supportive and advocate for clients from a different perspective. I've been advocating for clients for almost 8 years now, but it's been through like child welfare, um, and most of the time it's always been, we have to meet these numbers, document, contact. It wasn't really ever truly advocating, in my opinion. It was just, following the guidelines to move a case from point A to point B. Um, so I'm hoping that this will give me the opportunity to really support and advocate clients on a deeper level. I expect that this will be different than my first placement. Uh, Basically, just because I'm not here, delivering any, news or trying to ensure that some kind of timeline is met. I'm actually here to work with clients from the position of I'm just here for you, and being just a support and really trying to help them figure out what's going on, helping them work through their problems. That's going to be my primary objective. So I think that's going to be interesting. Um, and some of the activities that we're going to be doing is phone therapy, group therapy, individual therapy. So I haven't really done group therapy at my first internship. I also I've never done telephone therapy, so I'm actually excited to try that. Um, and just coming from a different, having a different role of just being a support for the client versus having my own motive as far as what I need from clients and what I need them to do, and why I'm trying to engage them. Um, and more importantly, I feel like I'm already overwhelmed. I'm gonna be working a full time job. I got a wife, two kids. I got church. I got an internship. It's going to be a very very busy next couple of months. So I'm just really hopeful and excited. I see the white light at the end of the tunnel. So that's my motivation. I'm happy to be in class with everyone, and I look forward to working with you. Have a blessed day.